Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last month and how the price of natural gas can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, I have to explain you from the beginning. Why? Because you have to understand here is that, see, the volatility is very high here. After that the volatility is here. Okay, and this is the period where we have seen from 2000 to 2008. This is the period where the volatility is high. After that it was moving in this particular zone. Okay, and again there is a volatility after 21 to in natural gas. Okay, and there is a continuous downfall. This is the first thing that you have to understand here is, see, there is a continuous downfall and a opposite hammer is forming, you can say here. Okay, and what we have seen, there is a red candles are forming mostly. Okay, so month wise what you can see that already a swing had formed at a level of $10 and there is not a swing formed which should create an upside trend. Okay, the other important thing that you have to note that there is a trend forming. Okay, and that you have to understand here is that when after pandemic what happened, it went in this way, and from there whenever it hits its previous high we have seen a sharp fall comes. If you look at this weekly chart also, monthly chart also, you will see a trend is forming that whenever it hits its previous high, suppose this is the first high, it make a second high and then a sharp fall comes. You can see here third time and fourth time it is being repeated here. Okay, what we'll see that till the time it is not forming a swing. See, suppose if it forms a swing and goes above a level of $3 and then goes above a level of 4.9, these are the some of the resistance which it sustained, then only we can see an upside can be there. Because once it form above a level of $3, then only we can see it can go further upside towards $4 and then further high. Okay, now understand something. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can cross a level of $2.7 which is already a weak resistance, and once it crosses that particular zone it can touch a level of $3. Okay, and this $3 is already in the particular zone. Okay, zone high. So once it crosses that $3, chances are very high it can cross a level of $3.4. Okay, and this $3.4 is already a weak resistance, so chances are high that we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $3.43. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain above a level of $3, chances of touching 3.4 is there, and from there we can see a level of $3.843. And once it move up that particular zone, then we can see it can touch a level of $4.031. Keep this in mind. Once it sustain this level, that there is a gap which is still not filled with a level of 4.35. So once it sustain above 4.35, chances of going towards 4.6 is there, and from there we can see a level of $4.9. Okay, and once it sustain above 4.9, then we can see it can go towards $5.2 to a level of 5.8. Okay, once it sustain above 5.2, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Probability is very high, then we will see a proper swing will form. Once the price sustain above a level of 5.2, then there is a continuous upside we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and this downfall, so probability can be there. It is moving in a particular zone. You can see it is not like it is moving so in a volatile range. Okay, so when there is a volatile market, what you have to do, what I have told you, that what I teach in box is always try to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by 2, so that if the volatility is high, your target should be hit rather than hitting your SL. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, then the next support coming at around $2. So once it goes below a level of $2, then we can see that it will come in this particular zone, and chances are very high it can go towards a level of $1.965 to a level of $1.65, and this $1.65 is already a weak support, so chances are high that we can see a level of $5.90, and once it move below that particular zone it can go further low, and a probability is very high it can go towards a level of around $1.6 to a level of $1.527, and once it move below that level, then we can see a level of $1.5 $339, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Keep this in mind. Once it moved below a level of $2, chances of touching 1.8 to a level of 1.6 is high. Okay, and once it moved below this level, chance of touching 1.3 is there, and then further low, because if you look at this particular trend, this is the range where the price of natural gas for so long it was in this zone. Okay, so once it started moving below this level, then a probability can be there it can go further and further low. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Our mail ID is in the description. Okay, and if you want to attend that workshop also, where I teach how to trade and when to analyze, and how to sit patiently, and then how to trade, you can mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.